Good morning, everyone. Today is the 7th of June. Welcome back to week 12 of distance learning. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Okay, 2020 is during some unsettling times for us. Amongst COVID-19, you've seen protests that are taking place, the Black Lives Matters movement, rightly so. These are about inequalities, about racism that people have been suffering for long periods of time. And it's important that we talk about them. Voices are really, really important. I spoke to my dad, and he was saying actually silence is violence, which is really strong and powerful, I thought, which is really interesting. But it's it's appropriate and it's okay to talk about these things. Parents, we should be talking about these things. Teachers, we should be talking about these things. And students, we definitely should be talking about these things. And the two questions I always say are, well, A, we should know why they're happening. And B, we should think about obviously how we can make things better. And this is exceptionally important. So I hope things get better out there. If any of you are affected by these things, please reach out. Your voice is really, really important. Okay? On a more uplifting note, well done to everyone who took part in the Virtual Olympics. I can't emphasize this enough. All of your efforts there were greatly appreciated. Okay, and yes, here's our obviously total. And Stanford, congratulations, well done. 6,610 points, and you will be getting as a house your dress down day when we hopefully see you back in the new academic year. So well done, everyone. Okay, next slide here. This is about assessments. And again, this is just to remind you that if you have any questions in relation to what I mentioned last week in the assembly, please speak to your subject teachers, and I'm confident they will be able to go through any of these items with you. If you have any questions from myself, you're more than welcome to contact me as well, or Miss Nyborg. Okay, that's it from that one. And here is just a little prompt. I mean, there's tons of online courses out there which are fantastic. I'm not saying you have to look at these now, but this is something I think all of you should be looking at. I'm just going to go to the site here, and this is done by Harvard, which we know is a top ranking university, but there are tons of different online courses, and these are called MOOCs, massive open online courses, which are available. They're not just run by Harvard, there's lots of other online courses which are run by other universities as well, but the topics range significantly, ranging from malaria to, as you can see here, drug regulations, ranging all the way to Mozart to Beethoven, meteorology, science, whatever that you're interested in. There are so many different topics, and there's so many different things I think that you can look at. These are things I think that are fantastic for all of us progressing towards university, because these are things that your admissions teams will look at. So, like I said here, there's a range of different subject areas. Many of these are free. As you can see, there's 90 which are free, and even the paid ones are only $30. But you have a range of different options from, well, when they actually start. So you might want to start something perhaps in the summer. And we will be sending out a summer list of things for you guys as well to keep yourselves busy and making sure that you're still academically fit. You've got a range of different schools which are offering different online courses. You can pick and choose. You might want to do something only for 1 week or 2 weeks. You might want to choose something for 4 weeks, depending on obviously your time commitments. And then you can choose what difficulty level as well. So please have a look at those. They really are fantastic, and they're worthwhile seeing. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight that. And the last little bit I'm going to say is, there's another challenge here, and this is the Make Us Laugh challenge. So please send in your videos of you telling a joke or a self-made funny cartoon, whatever it is, to make people laugh. And we know that laughter, there are so many benefits of laughter, not only from releasing excellent endorphins, but also decreasing, your stress levels. And there's prizes, and the prize obviously is going to be another dress down day. I think many of you value that. When you're back in school, we will certainly award that, but there are points on offer here as well for your houses, so do get stuck in. And we love seeing these types of things. I was going to tell a chemistry joke, but I don't think I get much of a reaction with that. So I'll leave the funny stuff to you guys. Send those in. We'd love to see them. Make us laugh. Make you laugh. Even if you just laugh, doesn't matter. Send it in. Be good. Stay safe, everyone. Keep yourself educated. And your voice does matter. Take care. Oh, hang on. Ah, there we go. Had to add that in. All right. Take care. Enough of that.